Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to be taking a look at our new 2020 236 Grady-White Fisherman. This boat is in our showroom. It's nice and warm. Boat is in seaport blue, white bottom. You see underneath the hard top to match the hull, seaport blue. Boat has a full windshield. We'll take a look at the outside. We'll go inside, take a look at the options we put on this boat. All right, let's go inside and take a look. As you enter the 236 Fisherman, you'll see the boat does have a boarding ladder, swim platform. This boat does have the 300 horsepower Yamaha. There is storage on either side on the swim platform. Great place for some dock lines or a beach anchor. Boat does have a transom door which swings out. Freshwater shower. This boat does have the ski pole option. There's a live well, good size. Grady-White fish box, also great size for a fish box. This boat does have the flip down aft seat. As I said, cup holders, rod storage. Has a tow rail for fishing. 4 rod holders behind the helm seat. 4 rod rocket launcher across the back of the hardtop. Handrails. Boat does have life jacket storage. Overhead box. Take a look at the helm. This boat does have Bennett trim tabs. Has the adjustable helm. Has the new Yamaha gauge package. Fusion stereo. And does have a 12-volt outlet. Bolster style seating. Bolsters on either side. Speakers on either side and then up forward. There is a plumb porta potty in the head. Plenty of room. Access to under the helm. As we go forward, you'll see it does have the bolsters, the backrests, the forward seating. This boat does have the walk-through option forward. Anchor locker, pop-up running light, rod holders, cup holders. Full windshield all the way up to the hard top. Works out very well. Window for the head. This boat is in our showroom. It's available. Please come down and take a look. Thank you.